Number 4, it says, a biologist has discovered that the weight of a certain fish is a power function of its length. He also knows that when the length of the fish is doubled, its weight increases by a factor of 8. What is the power of k? So I know that if I increase the input by 2, that the output is going to be increased by 8. So we need to figure out what k is. Now, many times we're able to look at this and just tell what it is. So you could really just look at 2 raised to the k is equal to 8, and you'd be able to figure out that k is equal to 3, which that will be our answer. But if it weren't obvious, so sometimes you won't be able to just look at it, I do want to show it in an alternate way. So an alternate way, if I take the log of both sides, log of 2 to the k is equal to log of 8. What this allows us to do is bring down that k. So that would be k log of 2 is equal to log of 8. And then if I divide both sides by log of 2, then k is equal to log of 8 over log of 2. And if you type in log of 8 over log of 2 on your calculator, you will get that k is equal to 3. So that's kind of an alternate way of doing it, if it's not, if you can't tell just by looking at it.